Good morning, folks. Gonna do a little video. It's a ride along back from the grocery store. The video on the way down got all messed up, so you just get to ride back. You get to listen to me bitch and complain about price of everything. It's really exciting. Bitching about prices, bitching about my neighbors. Just a regular bitch fest. Anyway, let's get on with it. That was another painless day of grocery shopping. Damn, I only spent about 40 bucks too. Even got a big old 3/4 inch T-bone steak for like 11 bucks. That had gone down, everything else went up. Crazy. It's crazy out there. What else did I get? A couple cans of Pringles, some Lay's potato chips. 2 10-packs of 7-ounce ginger ale. Always buy cans, always buy the little ones. I don't waste any that way. Got some marinade for my ribs. I bought a rack of ribs. Those should be yummy. Come on, cars, what the hell? Where's everybody coming from? Everybody's on their way to work, I guess. That must suck, huh? That's my power steering pump you hear making noise. I'm getting a little low on fluid. I just looked over to the left at the fuel station there, and diesel is $5.13 a gallon now. That is incredible. I guess I retired from truck driving just in the nick of time, because I had to pay for my own fuel. I own my own truck, I had to pay for my own fuel. When I was doing it, it was about $3 a gallon when I retired. Now it's $5.18 a gallon. I can't imagine. Things are going to hell in a handbasket. That's all I can tell you. It's ridiculous. Food is way up. Everything is going out of sight. It's crazy. Even gas is still up over $3 a gallon. When I retired, it was $2 a gallon. Crazy times, huh? Pretty quiet drive home today. I'm not very talky today for some reason. Got the sniffles pretty good. This weather, it's going to be 93 tomorrow. It's going to be 65 on Sunday. That's how much the weather changes around here. It's weird, huh? It's hard to adjust the body temperature, you know. It's hard to acclimate when the temperature keeps going up and down. But that's Texas. Hot today, cold tomorrow. Cold tomorrow, hot the day after that. That's the way it is. Uh-oh, Popo. Police. Oh, that's a sheriff. It's a man with a gun and a badge. That damn receipt from yesterday on that. I had bought a brand new battery yesterday because this one was a little weak, so I bought a backup battery. Fucking $75 battery I could have bought last year for $75. It was $122 yesterday. Things are getting expensive, folks. I hear I'm getting an 8.2 or 8.7% raise on my Social Security this year. That's insane. There's no money. Where are they going to pull that out of their ass? I don't really need it. I mean, it's nice to get it, but I don't need it. Where are they going to get it? That's millions and millions of people are going to be getting a huge raise. Inflation's way up there, and they're spending more and more money they don't have. I don't understand how it keeps going along. The only thing I can think of is that it's all taken care of. Whoever's paying the bills is not too worried about it. Definitely us, but it ain't all us. Something's going on. Something really, really bad is going on. Okay, what the hell is over there? Who is in my buddy's lot? I do not know. Huh, it's weird. Never seen those gates open before. I didn't see him out there. Somebody was out there, I don't know who it was. Must be one of his buddies. Anyway, you don't have no idea what I'm talking about. I haven't seen too many tyrants, just that one sheriff parked there in a parking spot. Tyrant I've seen so far today. I heard they was everywhere, but I'll be damned if I ain't run into none of them. There sure was a bunch of them across the street from my house yesterday. They weren't there for me, they were there for my neighbors. Good Lord only knows what was going on over there. I gotta figure out a way that my camcorder will keep recording. So don't kill the battery. There's gotta be a way I can charge this while it's recording. Now if I plug in a charger to it when it's on, the recording goes off. Well, I figured that out so I can record over there. My security system doesn't record worth shit. Excellent picture, but you can't see anything. I mean, it's just weird. Cheap system, I guess. That would be my guess. At least it doesn't have a hard drive or a SD card or anything to record to. So I'm not sure what the deal is with it. I don't know. I can play back if it's like within a few hours. But anything after that seems to get lost. I don't know. I think I got the wrong system. I can change it to HDM3 and I can watch them all day long on my TV if I wanted to. If I can see everybody in the neighborhood. But that's pretty boring. Anyway, I'm about home. Arrivederci, fairly well. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. I'm turning into a grumpy old bastard, ain't I? Just bitching about everything. Alright, I'm over it. I'm gonna go relax, watch a video, maybe there's a live I can jump into. Anyway, y'all have a fantastic day. Love ya. Bye.